Hi, I'm Matt Doucette, founder of Newbee University, where we believe the key to successful beekeeping is continued learning. And we're very excited to announce the upcoming launch of our Introduction to Beekeeping course. This course teaches everything from honeybee basics to how to purchase honeybees, beekeeping equipment, all the way through to how to do your first honey extraction. If you're interested in becoming a beekeeper, this course will offer you the knowledge, guidance, and confidence to get started. To help spread the news of our upcoming course, we're going to be doing a giveaway in which you can win a free Newbee University beekeeping suit. This is a ventilated suit, and if you've ever looked into these are valuable, and these are great, a lot more comfortable for beekeeping, and we hope that you'll enter to win this suit. In order to enter the giveaway, we need you to do two things. You need to share this video anywhere you think there are people interested in becoming a beekeeper, whether that's your personal social media, on groups you're a part of, anywhere you think there are people who would like to become a beekeeper. Then I want you to head over to the link below and check out our Introduction to Beekeeping course description. In this description, you'll see each lesson that is going to be taught. There's even some sample videos so you can get an idea of what the course will be like. Once you've done that, on that page, you'll see somewhere to enter your email address for updates, and that's where you'll enter this giveaway. From the emails that we collect, we will choose a winner to win a ventilated beekeeping suit from Newbee University. We hope you'll enter our giveaway, share this video, and look more into our Introduction to Beekeeping course.